I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. Wind has been a concern this week. We started off with a tornado tracking through Quapaw, causing extensive damage and, sadly, one fatality and a number of injuries. Winds across western Oklahoma picked up soil particles, turning skies a dusty red-brown and dramatically reducing visibility. A map of maximum wind gusts from Monday, April 28th had peak gusts in the 20s in southeast Oklahoma to the upper 40s in northwestern Oklahoma. The highest gust was 60 miles per hour at Camargo. Maximum wind gusts were higher on Tuesday, April 29th, while the highest gust was the same, a 60-mile-per-hour gust. More Mesonet sites had maximum wind gusts near 50 miles per hour or higher. In the southeast, many sites were 30 miles per hour or higher. Extended drought and high winds are causing soils to move. In a few severe cases, fields have had close to a foot of topsoil blown away. A graph of average wind speed at 6.5 feet above ground level for Boise City shows that average wind speeds close to the ground went above 35 miles per hour on Sunday, April 27th. They were above 30 miles per hour for over 12 hours on Tuesday, April 29th, and a shorter time again on Wednesday, April 30th. Last weekend's storms brought good rains to only a few areas in Oklahoma. The green bands indicated an inch of rain or more. For much of the state, it was little to no rain. As we end April, the percent of plant available water in the top 16 inches of soil is very low in the major wheat production areas. The brown-colored areas have percentages typically below 20%. The dark green areas have good moisture, being at or slightly above field capacity 100%. There can be some dramatic local differences. Spencer reported 97% of plant available water in the soil, while the nearby Oklahoma City East Mesonet site came in at only 7%. Looking deeper at percent of plant available water from the surface down to 32 inches at the end of April, the same pattern persisted. From central Oklahoma west, the soils often came in below 50%. The water percents in the brown areas were typically in the teens. On April 30th, the Climate Prediction Center released new outlooks for May. There's an increased chance of above-average temperatures for May. That trend is strongest for southwest Oklahoma. The precipitation outlook shows equal chances of being above, near normal, or below normal for May for most of Oklahoma, so no trend. There's a slight increase in chances of being above average in the far northeast corner. Hopefully you were spared from frost damage on Thursday and Friday mornings. Thanks for joining us for another edition of the Mesonet Weather Report.